Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let's see what lovely things are we going to learn today. What some cute DIYs. And let's see how we have made this. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Now proceeding further, take a bottle cap and draw the face and mouth along with eyes and paste it like this one over the other, and two cute rabbits are there in front of you, and put these in this form. Super amazing, right? Now fold some papers in conical form and then join it like this and then open it. Now paste some colorful strings like this and you will get an amazing beautiful result. Isn't it looking beautiful? Proceeding further, cut the circle in the form of a semicircle and then you have to paste the sticks like this and then make the eyes. Let's see what are we going, and here's to the one. That too a very thorny bushes. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Now proceeding further, let's see, paste some glue like this and you have to paste the colorful paper in this manner and then put the clays in this way and paste the eyes, and here's to the ant. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Working here. Yes, super amazing, right? And decorate it further in this manner. You can always decorate it the way you want. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Proceeding further, let's see, we have to put the paper in this way and then the clay. Proceeding further, the way we are doing in the video, you have to keep on making these, and here's to the lovely tasty ice cream. Isn't it looking amazing? Yes, you wanna eat them, right? Proceeding further, you have to paste a semicircular on a circular pattern like this, an oval shape, and then paste the paper in this manner. And here's to the Peppa Pig. Yes, the Peppa Pig is ready, isn't it? Yes, whose favorite is Peppa Pig? And her brother George, isn't it? Now you have to paste and decorate it further in this way. Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to make now. You have to make a cute little cartoon character in this way. Yes, can you guess this cartoon character? Now proceeding further, paste the clay, press it further, and you have to take 3 clays in this way. Now you have to paint the eyes and then the antenna as well, and then what do you have to do? Then the legs as well. Now you have to put it this way and decorate it further. Yes, the crabs are ready. Isn't it amazing? Proceed and decorate further with the help of black marker to make it look realistic. Again take the clay, press it like this and make the patterns in this manner. Paste the grasses and you have to make it with the help of clay, and then you have to make the ants with eyes and something on top of them. Pretty amazing, right? Cool. Proceeding further, you have to make the imprints using clay like this, and you can definitely imagine what are we gonna make now. Put it like this, make the pattern, and your beautiful lovely pretty peacock is ready in front of your eyes. You can decorate it further. Proceeding further, make the imprints on clay like this, and what you have to do, paste it in this manner and your stick ice cream is ready. Isn't it looking cool? And you wanna eat them, right? Proceeding further, press the clay in this manner. Again you have to do the same thing, then join it. Yes, your cherries are ready. You can make as many as you want and decorate it further using green marbles. Yes. Proceeding further, what are we going to make now? Make the paper like this, make it look like this and cut it in this manner. Now you have to paste clay like this all over it, and let's see what result are we going to end up making this and decorate it further in this way. Isn't it looking quite amazing and pretty? Proceeding further, let's see, you again have to make imprints on clay like this and press the black clay in this manner and then the white clay on the top of it. Yes, your lovely penguins are ready on the snowy mountains. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? You should definitely try them and have fun with your clay and art and craft. You are going to definitely enjoy them. Thank you.